Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable forums inbox category in Gmail to show messages from online groups, discussion boards, and mailing lists on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then on the home screen, tap on the Google folder, or in the app screen, tap on the Google folder, then tap on Gmail. Next, from your inbox, tap on the menu key at the top. From the pop-out, go down and tap on Settings. In Settings, tap on the Gmail account that you would like to make the change. And then we're going to go down and tap on Inbox Categories. In here, tap on Forums. So tap on the checkbox to turn it on or off. Now that it is on, you can see that it will become available in the menu here for you to select Forum. At the moment, I have no messages coming from forums. And if I go back into settings and turn it off, you can see that once I switch it off, the menu items is not available in the main menu anymore. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.